The biggest differentiating feature of the OUKITEL K9 4G Phablet is, well, just how big it is. The phone has a 7.12-inch display, which is almost pushing it past phablets and into tablet territory. Fortunately, however, since the OUKITEL K9 has respectably thin bezels, it manages to offer a good screen-to-body ratio and is not as unwieldy as it would have been had it had thicker bezels. The display has a 19:9 aspect ratio with a resolution of 1080 x 2244 pixels, and easily dwarfs any other phone you put next to it. The huge display of the OUKITEL K9 4G Phablet is powered by an equally impressive 6000 mAh battery that the company promises will last for 2-3 days of heavy use on a single charge. That's a rather bold promise, but considering that the phone has a low-power Helio and runs Android 9.0 Pie out of the box, with its new adaptive power mode, the OUKITEL K9 is sure to deliver outstanding battery life. OUKITEL K9 4g Phablet is powered by a Mediatek Helio P35 Octa core pool, with a clock speed of up to 2.3 GHz, which is considerably more power efficient than the previous generation, backed by 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage.
Mm-hmm.